20 common interjections you should know.
Wow!
Expresses surprise or amazement.
Oh!
Used to show realization, surprise, or understanding.
Ouch!
Expresses pain or discomfort.
Yikes!
Indicates fear, shock, or alarm.
Oops!
Used when making a mistake or realizing an error.
Hey!
Grabs attention or expresses greeting.
Phew.
Shows relief or exhaustion.
Oh!
Expresses frustration or disgust.
Yay!
Shows excitement or happiness.
Aha!
Indicates a sudden realization or discovery.
You!
Expresses disgust or dislike.
Used when thinking or being uncertain.
Wowza.
A playful or exaggerated expression of surprise.
Uh-oh.
Warns of trouble or a mistake.
Duh.
Used to indicate something obvious.
Bravo.
A term of approval or applause.
Shh!
Used to tell someone to be quiet.
Gosh!
An expression of mild surprise or wonder.
Alas.
Shows sorrow or regret, often used dramatically.
Hooray!
Celebrates a victory or joyful event.